Hey, it's Miss Millis. Welcome back. It's time for our kindergarten home learning packet time. We're working on packet number 3. We're on the first week and the second day. All right, make sure you have packet number 3. And we're on week 1, day 2. Starting with numbers again, like yesterday. You're going to read the number, trace the number, read the word, trace the word, and spell it. And then we've got to make a picture to show what that number represents. All right, so you can count your dots first. Read your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 6. Trace your number. Then let's read the word. 6. S-I-X. S-I-X. Then you can cut and glue the pictures. If you've done the other side, make sure you do the other side of the paper first before you cut. You can glue the picture over here, find the one that shows 6, or you can draw it. Does this show 6? No. 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 Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 1 makes 6. Now you can draw hands, or you can draw sticks. I'm going to draw hands like this today. There's the palm of the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We could do a hand that way, or you can try to draw the fingers out, or you can just do lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whichever way works better for you, just so that you can show me what 6 things look like. Keep going, do the rest of the page. Then we're going to work on some addition, some adding. This looks a little bit different. They're not giving us 2 groups of pictures today. We're starting with a number and then a group. We're starting with the number 3 plus, or and, 3 plus, here's our group, equals what? 3 plus, how many pictures are in this group? We only have 1 pie in this group, so I'm going to write a 1 there. 3 plus 1 equals how many? If you want to, you can draw dots to help you count. You could draw 1, 2, 3 dots for the 3. So you could do 3 plus 1 equals how many? Or you can count your pictures. 1, 2, 3. 1 more is 4. 3 plus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your next one is 2 plus, count your group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pictures in that group. So it would be 2 plus 6 equals how many? All right, so you could say 2, put 2 in your head, say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your answer would be 8. All right, very good. You're going to finish the page just like that. The next page we have is working on some words. We're starting with a picture on the side. We've got to name that picture. This is a picture of some kind of meat, maybe some ham. We've got to spell the word ham using these letters. And then we'll have to add that word to a sentence and make sure that it makes sense. Ham starts with which letter says H says so I'm going to circle it. Ah. Does this say ah? Or does this say ah? A says ah. Am. Which one says m? Kind of hard for you to hear me say it on this video, but am. The M, not the N. Ham. Now let's read our sentence. I love to eat ham. We're going to write ham, H-A-M. Ham. I love to eat ham. I'm going to tell you the other words. We have jam, ram, yam, and this is a beaver. He built a dam. All right, very good. So finish up. You're going to spell your words, and then write your words on the sentence, and then read it to make sure that it makes sense. Sight word time. This word is A-L-L. A-L-L spells all. Trace it, spell it, say it. Then you're going to write it in the lines. A-L-L. A is a short letter, so it's got to stay in that short box. L is a tall letter, so it's got to go from the top to the bottom. Then you're going to read your sentence. He ate all that jam. He ate all that jam. So you're going to write the word all, spell the word all, then read your sentence. Our last page for today is the story. You've got to read the story and then put the parts of the story in order to tell what happens. We're going to read part of it together. Let's read the title first. Look and see. Look and see. That's the title of our story. Look. There's an exclamation mark, so say it with excitement. Look. What do you see? There's a question mark, so we have to say it like we're asking. What do you see? Let's read that again. Look. What do you see? Let's read the next line. I see my brown cat looking at me. I see my brown cat looking at me. Let's read that part again. Look and see. Look, what do you see? I see my brown cat looking at me. Then you're going to finish reading the story. I want you to read the story 2 times. We're going to look at the pictures at the bottom. We've got to decide what happens first, next, then, and last, or first, second, third, and fourth. We have a picture of a van. We have a picture with some people. We have a picture that says, "This is me." And we have a picture of a cat. We read the beginning of the story. Did we read anything about a van? Was that at the first? No. Did we read about people yet? No. Did we read about "this is me"? No. Did we read about a cat? Yes. The second sentence that we read said, I see my brown cat looking at me. So that's the first thing that happens in the story, is we see the brown cat looking at me. So I've got to use a brown crayon. If you want to cut and glue your pictures into the boxes, you can. Make sure you've done the other side of the paper first, or you can draw the pictures. I'm going to draw a brown cat over here, or you could write the numbers down here, like you could write that's first. You could write a 1 in that box. I'm going to try to draw this brown cat. It's not going to be as good as the one they have, but I'm going to do my best. All right. There is my brown cat. Then you're going to read the next line in the story and see which picture happens next. When you get to the one that says, "This is me," draw a picture of yourself in that box. Very good. That's the end of our work for today. I'll see you again tomorrow.